Hey, creative people! Welcome back to Marketing Alchemy. Today, I want to share something that might save you a lot of money and frustration if you're selling digital products on Etsy. I'm going to explain exactly why I stopped running Etsy ads and why you probably should too. Stick with me until the end, because I'll show you the exact strategy I'm using instead that's actually growing my sales and my email list. So let's be real. Etsy ads are insanely expensive right now. Etsy recently updated their ad policies. You now have to set a minimum daily budget of $25 just to even run ads properly. That's $750 a month before you even know if it's working. And here's the kicker. Etsy's ad system takes about a month just to learn and index your products. That means you could easily spend hundreds of dollars before you see a single meaningful result. When I first started out, I ran Etsy ads, and honestly, I was paying more than I was making. My profit was disappearing into Etsy's pocket. So instead of burning money on ads, here's what I do now. I create a really attractive freebie that my ideal customers can't resist. Then I run a short, affordable campaign to promote that freebie. I'm talking 7 days, $14 total. With that, I've grown my email list to almost 400 subscribers. But here's the best part. 85 of those subscribers are now actively engaging with my brand. That's 85 warm leads who actually want to hear from me, instead of random traffic from Etsy ads. So, if you're tired of Etsy ads draining your wallet, take a step back and think bigger. Build your list, build your community, build a business that isn't at the mercy of Etsy's ad machine or bots. To get you started, I've created a free guide. 10 hot digital products you can sell on Etsy and beyond. Grab it now. The link is right below this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more real Etsy talk and marketing strategies that actually work.